How do I clean my memory foam mattress topper?
Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of maintaining the longevity of your mattress, cleaning your memory foam topper. Now, if you've ever wondered how to tackle this task without damaging the material, stick around. We're about to break it down step by step for you.
Why is cleaning a memory foam topper important?
Memory foam toppers are great for adding extra comfort to your mattress, but they can also accumulate dust, sweat, and allergens over time. Regular cleaning not only keeps your sleeping environment healthier, but it also helps maintain the performance and longevity of your topper. However, cleaning these toppers requires special care to avoid damaging the material. Now, let's get started on how to properly clean your memory foam topper.
What do I need to clean my memory foam topper?
Before you begin, gather the following items: a vacuum with an upholstery attachment, mild detergent, a spray bottle, cold water, clean, dry towels, a fan or a place to air dry. Note: avoid using harsh chemicals as these can break down the memory foam and shorten its lifespan.
How do I clean my memory foam topper?
Now that we have everything we need, let's get started. Step 1. Vacuum the topper. Start by using a vacuum with an upholstery attachment. Gently vacuum the entire surface of the topper to remove any dust or dirt. Step 2. Spot clean stains. Mix a small amount of mild detergent with cold water in a spray bottle and gently shake it. Spray this solution on any visible stains and gently dab with a clean cloth. Avoid rubbing or scrubbing as this can damage the foam. Remember to not soak the foam. A light mist is enough. Step 3. Air dry. After spot cleaning, let the topper air dry completely. You can speed up this process using a fan or by placing it in a well-ventilated area. Never use a hairdryer or heater to dry the topper as the high heat can damage the foam. Step 4. Vacuum again. Once the topper is fully dry, vacuum it again to remove any residue from the cleaning process. And that's it. You've now successfully cleaned your memory foam topper. Remember, the key is to be gentle and avoid saturating the foam. With regular cleaning, you can enjoy a fresh, clean, and comfortable sleeping surface for years to come. Thank you for watching, and sweet dreams.